Okay, today we'll be learning a little bit about Prezi. Prezi is an online tool that you can use to create presentations, something other than the traditional PowerPoint. So Prezi is pretty simple. All you have to do is you log in or create your own profile, and it says that your name up here at the top. So step by step, Prezi, first thing you would do is do new Prezi. And you could put a title here, so I'm just going to do this, and then description. And then all you do is new Prezi. And it'll take a little while to load it, but it's a free software. Instead of using PowerPoint and making sure everybody has this is something that can be done online that several people can access. You would just select, you have different templates here that you can select from. So all you have to do is select what you want, or you can do your own. So for this one, I think we're just going to do this and do start editing. So here we have click to add text, click to add text. So we would just type whatever you want here. And then it would do that, and you can do more, and these are the inner bodies, or you can delete them, and so on and so forth. So you can enter in more. So you have over here on the sides, this is what your whole presentation looks like. You have a circle within a circle within a circle, and so on and so forth. So over on the side here we have theme. You can change the theme. So say I wanted this color, and the color changes to the theme that you wanted. You also have path. As it says here, it's pretty straightforward. Click anything to add it to your path. You can, when you're clicking through, you can create the order that you want it to follow. That's what these numbers here are. So as you can see, it would go from one to another just by the numbers. So we'd move to this one, 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, and then this 9, and that's how that path would go when you're clicking through it. Frames, pretty straightforward. You can have hidden frames around your text. You can have a square, circle, the boxes. And if you want to insert something, you can insert a file. And then you would just select whatever you want. You can insert a drawing and diagram. And these are the ones that they have already for you. Organization chart, process. You could just choose whatever you wanted and put that in. You can also insert a YouTube video. You can insert slides from PowerPoint that you have created already. An image, this could be very useful, if you're wanting to display something. You can just search it, or you can go right from your computer, either or. And you can also do shapes, your basic shapes. So we created a triangle, and when you click, wherever you click, it'll just come up with a text box that you can type. So after you have created everything, you have all your entries made that you wanted, and say you wanted to do your path a little bit differently. Well, instead of doing the path, you could simply select one of the slides here and drag it up to where you want. Now, once you have entered everything that you want, make sure you save it. See here at the top it says saved at, but you would probably save it anyway when you're all done. You can invite people to edit. So this is why we want to use this. So when we are doing it as a group, everybody in the group can have privileges to edit. You can also print, and then when you're all done, you can show it. So this is the thing, and and then you would click and it'd bring you to the next one, and so on and so forth. As you click, it brings you to every one that you have entered. This is the path that it showed earlier. And that's the presentation. That is how you use Prezi.